was looking like a fool when I met you. All covered.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a surprise unboxing, and the reason it's a surprise unboxing is because it is a bag that I did not plan on getting, but I got it and I'm gonna have to tell you the story. So if you guys don't want to hear the backstory on it, I would recommend fast forwarding ahead so you can get to the unboxing, but you know there's always a story and I feel like I have to tell you guys and take you through my journey. So first off, if you guys are new to my channel, make sure to hit that little subscribe button, and if you want to see my Louis Vuitton unboxing, then keep watching. Okay guys, you know I've been wanting the Louis Vuitton Pochette Metis in the monogram forever. Actually, ever since I got this one right here, which was in the Noir. I love this one, you guys. This has been one of my favorite purses. Because I like this one so much, I wanted to get in the monogram, but every single time I tried to get it, I would go into the store, I would look online, it didn't matter. Wherever I went, they just never had it, and it was so hard to get, and there was a waiting list. I just so happened the other day I did buy a new Louis Vuitton bag. You guys might have seen the recent unboxing. It was the Louis Vuitton corset, and I was working with a lady at Neiman Marcus, and I said, just out of curiosity, if you ever have the Louis Vuitton Pochette Metis monogram in stock, will you just text me? So she texted me like 2 days later and she said, oh my gosh, we have the Pochette Metis, it's in stock, are you interested? So I'm like, oh my god. And here's the thing guys, when it comes to handbags like this, I definitely try to put money aside for it and save so that I have the money ready to go specifically for these handbags. So I thought about it and I was like, you know what? No, I'm not gonna do it. I can't buy two Louis Vuitton bags like so close together. I just can't do it. So I told her, nope, I'm not gonna do it. Well then I said, you know what? I need to get rid of a lot of things in my closet. So I decided to sell a bunch of things. You might have seen that video on YouTube as well where I sold a bunch of items, and I took that money, and what I do, I kind of have an account set aside for purses, handbags, shoes, you know, whatever. So I ended up selling a bunch of stuff, and then I said, well, let me text the lady back and let me see if she happens to have the bag still in stock. So I texted her and she said, I'm so sorry, they literally sold it to another client a couple hours after I said no. So I was like, oh. So I go into work, and then that evening I see a text from her and she's like, we have the bag is in stock, you know, we have another one. So I called her, I'm like, how'd you guys get another one? She said it never happens that they get two in 1 week, but they did. So I said, you know what, I don't know if I'm ever going to be able to have the opportunity anytime soon to get another one. So you know what, you guys, I pulled the trigger and I got another one. This was a bag I've been wanting for so long. You guys, the Pochette Metis is like my favorite handbag. I take it to work, I use it as a crossbody, and my favorite part is I love how it's a top handle, so I'll show you this as well. So let's go ahead and get right into the unboxing. So it comes beautifully wrapped, and once again, this did require signature confirmation, so I had to chase down my UPS guy because I never am home when he comes to my house. So I always have to track him on a map to find where he is so that I can go after him. So this is what the box looks like, and I always save my Louis Vuitton boxes. You guys know the drill. You open it up and then it comes with your receipt. Again, I know I've told you guys this, so sorry to sound like a broken record, but I would recommend always saving the receipt, saving the boxes, saving the dust bags, because then when you do go to sell your bags, it's going to be a higher resale value. So I have my receipt right here, and it says Haley, and she is the team lead at the Neiman Marcus. She was so helpful, and I have not unboxed this yet, you guys. This is a first for me as well. So it comes in a dust bag, and then this, here she is. And I know what you guys are thinking. You're probably thinking, this has been around for a couple years, like no one really wants that bag anymore. Well, I did. I wanted this so bad, you guys. Like I said, I have the other Pochette Metis, and I have used that bag every single day. It is such a great bag. It can fit so much. So I definitely wanted to get it in another color, and I thought that this would look really nice if you wear this like with a pair of jeans, a white shirt, like some sandals this color. So let me show you what it looks like. So you can see it is the Louis Vuitton. It is in the monogram, and then right here it has this little gold clasp opening and closure. On the top, it has a top handle, and this is just the cowhide leather. And then in the back, it has a zipper. Now, I love this because on my other pochette Metis, what I do is I use this to keep my phone so that way I don't have to constantly open up my purse if I'm texting. Okay, so that's what that looks like. So then you open it, and then here is the strap that it comes with. So I'll put the strap on, but let me show you what the inside looks like. So you can see it has two large compartments here, and then there's even a rear compartment in the back, and it is just a beautiful, it's like a suede, it's like a brown suede. It is so nice. There's so much room, you guys. It's so spacious. So let me go ahead and let me show you the strap again. So here it is. It has the monogram LVs on it, and it is an adjustable strap right here, and it falls like right at my hip, but you can adjust it. But the thing I love is this top handle. Who knew how much this top handle was going to come in handy? I love it so much. But you guys, like I said, have been wanting this bag for so long, ever since I got this one, and I'll show you a side by side. You can see, so this is the monogram, and this is the black, this is the noir, and I've had it for a long time, but I have gotten so much use out of it. It's such a good bag. So I'm so incredibly excited to finally get this, and I want to say thank you to a lot of my subscribers too. You guys have been so helpful. You'll message me and you'll be like, go to the website now, it's there, and I usually like just miss it, but you know that I've been wanting this for so long, and now I finally have it, so I'm so excited. So you can quote me on this. I think I'm going to be done for a while with making purchases. I have made quite a few purchases lately, and like I said, usually I wouldn't do this where I buy handbags so close together, but this was a case where the bag became available and I did have money set aside from when I sold something. So I'm so incredibly excited. And what I also plan on doing in the future too, as you know, I recently got the Louis Vuitton corset. I thought about doing a comparison between the corset and the pochette Metis, but I don't know. It's going to be tough because you guys know how much I love this bag. I just love how versatile it is. And again, this top handle for me is a game changer. I just really like it. And then there is so much space in here. So there you have it, guys. I just wanted to do a little short video to show you that I finally got this, and I was so excited, and thank you guys again for all of your support. But I don't know if this bag is available right now on the Louis Vuitton website, so I will link it down below. I know you can get it from the Fashion File website, which will be pre-loved, but I have ordered bags pre-loved before. I actually got this Lady Dior, and you can get some really great handbags. And the good thing about Fashion File is they guarantee the authenticity of the bag. So I'll try to see if I can find this bag there to link it down below, because it's such a good bag. I feel like it's going to match with everything. I cannot wait. And I just had to hurry up and do an unboxing so I could wear the bag. So I'm so excited. So thank you guys so much for joining me. Make sure to hit that subscribe button if you're new to my channel, and follow me on Instagram, and let me know if there is anything else you guys want to see. Thank you again for coming along, and I will see you guys in my next video.
I was looking like a fool when I met ya, all covered up in the dirt from my past. So insecure about myself when I met ya.